Welcome to the new chapter of EC Learning, powered by Elegance Central. Please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and also enable the bell button to get the recent notifications. Today, we are going to have a brief introduction on psychology. Points that we are going to cover today: definition on psychology, evolution and concept of psychology, nature of psychology, and branches of psychology. Psychology is the scientific study of behavior and mental process. The word psychology originated from the Greek words psyche and logos, which was first used by a German philosopher Mr. Rudolf Goclenius in 1950s. Psyche means soul. Logos means science. So, psychology means science of soul. The best part to say is, its meaning changes time to time. That means science of soul too. Science of mind. And then to science of consciousness. Finally to science of behavior. Psychology is a systematic approach to understand people, their thoughts, emotions, and behavior. Now, let's look into the evolution on concept of psychology. Even though the controversies are going on, modern psychology is built up on the basis of studies presented by Dr. Sigmund Freud and Wilhelm Wundt. As we discussed earlier, there are four distinct phases. Those can be seen in the evolution concept of psychology. They are: number 1, psychology is the science of soul. Number 2, the science of mind. 3, the science of consciousness. And number 4, the science of behavior. If we sum up the evolution theories of modern psychology, we can say, modern psychology is the scientific study of the human mind, its functions and behavior, often including the consciousness. When we talk about the nature of psychology, it's a pure positive science having a practical realm, also having various scientific methods to search for the truth, with the laws of universe. Finally, branches of psychology. It can be divided onto two broad categories. Number 1, pure psychology. This brings out theories, suggests methods and techniques for the study of human behavior. Number 2, applied psychology. Theories, principles, and techniques generated through pure psychology is applied to real-life situations to solve problems. For example, educational psychology, clinical psychology, forensic psychology, etc. Hi friends. Hope you understood the basic concepts of psychology. We will be presenting the advanced psychology topics, modern psychology lessons, applied psychology analysis and techniques on the following videos. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, EC Learning, and please let us know your valuable feedback.